the Immigrant Investor. Meet Tomi, a young Nigerian woman with dreams bigger than the Atlantic Ocean she crossed to reach Canada. Tomi left her village, her mother, and her familiar surroundings to seek a brighter future. This is her story, the story of the immigrant investor. In Canada, Tomi faced new challenges every day. As a nurse and a part-time caterer, she worked tirelessly. Yet after 5 years, she still had little to show for it. From navigating the bustling cityscape to adapting to a new culture, her determination never wavered. One day, Tomi met blooming Umoren, a seasoned financial consultant known as your trusted money coach. Blooming saw potential in Tomi and decided to coach and mentor her, introducing her to the world of stock market investing. In no time, Tomi signed up for Blooming's stock market investing course. Despite the distance, Tomi kept in close contact with her mother, Mama Duni, back in Nigeria. Her wisdom and support were Tomi's anchor in this foreign land. With Blooming's guidance, Tomi made her first investment. Excitement and anxiety filled the room as she clicked the buy button on her investing platform. In a cozy cafe, Blooming explained the magic of compound interest to Tomi. She showed her how even small investments could grow significantly over time, emphasizing the importance of starting early. During a walk in the park, Blooming stressed the benefits of starting to invest as soon as possible. Tomi listened intently, understanding the long-term advantages. Determined to succeed, Tomi spent hours taking Blooming's stock market investing course. She immersed herself in books, videos, and tutorials on personal finance and investing. Her dedication to learning was unwavering. With newfound knowledge and confidence, Tomi began making more investments. Her skills and understanding of the stock market grew day by day. Tomi celebrated her first successful investment with Blooming over coffee. Each small win was a step closer to her financial dreams. As the years went by, Tomi continued to consistently invest in the stock market. Every year, she booked a 2-hour session with Blooming for an annual review of her investments to ensure she was on track. In no time, Tomi's investment had grown to over $100,000 just by working hard and diligently investing every month. Tomi's journey was not easy, but with determination, the support of her loved ones, and the guidance of a wise mentor like Blooming Umoren, she turned her dreams into reality. This is the story of the immigrant investor, a powerful testament to the impact of smart investing and the value of a trusted coach.
Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.